one word to describe this guitar, the word will be silk. The crisp bass is supporting the most smooth and seamless and velvety treble. And it has such long and luxurious sustain. And just like silk. Hello, welcome to Nick's Classical Guitar. And today I have for you this very special instrument by Jialan Chen from China. This is his homage to his master Andrea Tacchi, Coclea Cedro. This guitar is made of cedar top and very beautiful rosette in homage to Robert Bouchet, who was the teacher of Andrea Tacchi. So this is like the an homage to the grandpa of the heritage. And it's also made of some beautiful looking Indian rosewood back and sides. It's also made with doubled sides, doubled back. And Jialan has a very scientific approach to everything. He measures every piece of the wood. He controls the weight in an almost obsessive perfection. And part of the effort is here, if you look at the bridge, this is made of a piece of mahogany dyed on both sides in order to optimize the weight. And we'll hear the result very soon, which is an extremely responsive and very silky sounding guitar. And to me, it sounds like a combination of Andrea Tacchi and Daniel Friederich. Let's give it a hear. You hear the nobility in the bass. Basses will serve as really good support for the silky and velvety trebles. It's very sensitive to vibrato, and the sustain seems to last forever. Yeah, if you have bad nails, this guitar will make them sound good. Just listen to that. This is one of those guitars, despite is quite new, it sounds like a very well-aged and well-opened up instrument. That was it. That was Jialan Chen Coclea Cedro, a perfect combination of Daniel Friederich and Andrea Tacchi, nobility in the bass, sensual lyricism in the treble, silky. That's silk. That's the one word I will use to describe this guitar. Just a reminder, for best prices among all platforms, please visit NicksClassicalGuitar.com. Look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.